The assembly process of these cars. Lights may seem straightforward, but it presents certain challenges in practice and requires close coordination between two technicians to complete. The entire procedure begins with one person fitting the silver trim onto the lamp cover, after which it is passed to another technician for installation onto the vehicle body. During assembly, the sequence of operations is strictly line-defined. Adhesives must be applied evenly first, followed by installation while ensuring the decorative pins are properly seated. The silver trim features an inward curled edge design, thoughtful safety considerations that prevents any potential BRS from scratching the hands. It is essential to ensure that once installed, the trim lies perfect lie flat without lifting, fits snugly against the body without any gaps, and remains secure lie in place without risk of detachment throughout the process. Special attention must be paid to keeping the interior of the lamp cover clean, free from any excess adhesive that could affect the transparency of the glass. Completing the installation of all lights on the entire vehicle takes approximately 15 minutes.